Alright. I have a couple minutes. I'm on break. I painted the block because I didn't want to stick it in the oven. I think it came out pretty good. Definitely by Rust-Oleum, the 500, and I got gloss, and I don't know, man. I think it's, you know what? I think the factory, it's supposed to be satin. It's not a matte black, but you know what it is? A semi-gloss. It's supposed to be a semi-gloss, and I did gloss, but I mean the paint came out awesome. It really, really looks good. Alright, I figured out the flaw on these motors. If you see here, the oil pump, this is the crankshaft, right? Let's see if I can adjust up a little here. This chain, look how loose that thing is. So this chain came off somehow. This is a tight one. The other one was bad. I had to take the old long piece of chain, and I took the Harbor Freight chain splitter and made a new chain out of a good section of this chain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this chain on there, and hopefully it tightens it up. If not, I don't know how to tighten it. I mean, there's no way. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's see if we can get a good look at the motor. Alright. So you're going to kick it. You're going to kick it forward, right, so it spins this way. Alright. And then it shifts all good. The clutches are all good. Everything's all good. But the problem is this. Okay. So, like I said, I made a chain, which was real easy with these little links. I just made it out of a bad. A new chain is 20 bucks on eBay. Hopefully I don't have to buy that. Alright, moving on. Oh, I got this off some dude on OfferUp for 40 bucks. It's the Duralast. It's that 140 piece or 120 piece, I don't know. But it's 120 bucks at AutoZone. And they're guaranteed at AutoZone, but I really like them. I only get the tool sets where all the sockets don't fall out, you know. So all the other ones where they just sit in there, don't get them. So, and it's kind of cool. They're all color coded, and seems like every piece I need is in this little suitcase thing. So if I have to go somewhere, I just grab it, put it in the Jeep, whatever. All right, this guy. Worked on him. So this is the new side case, and it is powder coated. The block is painted. The side plates are powder coated. So this is how this is gonna look. I know I could just slap it together, but I like to take my time. So this is where we're at on this guy. And I made some trades, and actually got a new bike out there. We'll deal with that guy next week. But the side case, I think it came out really nice. And I don't know, that's where we're at this week. So thanks for watching. I don't know what else to show you guys. Oh yeah, that's right. I got these guys. What are they called? Pro Armor. Dude, these things are crazy. I don't know how to attach them, but like, I mean, I don't know, dude. I got them for free, but I don't know. If I was a big old YouTuber, I'd probably like send them, you know, for a giveaway or something. I'm not sure. Not sure what to do with those. But thanks for watching, guys, and slowly but surely making progress. And this is my little work area this winter. And oh yeah, that's the oil I use. So it's Walmart. And oh, if you guys have any questions, comment me, and maybe I can help. Or if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. And this guy was like $14 on eBay, but he should have all the little pieces we need. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Hopefully I get past this engine. I know it's been 4 weeks since my last video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.